Welcome to a peaceful walk through the heart of the Vietnamese countryside. Take a deep breath and let the calm of nature wash over you. Today, we'll stroll slowly along quiet paths, through endless green rice fields, past rustic houses, and beneath the open sky. This is your moment of peace. Let's begin. The morning air here is crisp and fresh. You can almost smell the gentle scent of earth, grass, and water. To your left, the rice paddies stretch far into the horizon, glowing in hues of green and gold. Tiny pathways divide the fields, just wide enough for a single person walking with purpose, or simply like us, taking it all in. A farmer rides by on a bicycle. He smiles and waves. Life is simple here. You can hear birds chirping in the distance, and the occasional rustle of leaves in the breeze, the rhythm of footsteps on dirt, the whisper of the wind. It all becomes part of a natural symphony. Look closely. Water buffalo graze lazily in the fields, their slow movements adding to the serenity of the scene. This is a place where time seems to slow down. We pass a small stream. The water flows gently, its surface glistening in the sunlight. You might hear the croak of a frog or the splash of a fish beneath the water. A footbridge made of bamboo leads us across to the other side. Now we're walking between rows of banana trees, their large leaves rustling above us. This landscape is rich and alive, yet still so peaceful. Ahead, a small village appears. Roofs of red tile peek through the trees. An old woman sits outside her house, weaving a basket. Children chase each other and laugh, their joy echoing through the quiet streets. We nod politely, and they greet us with smiles. Here, strangers are welcomed like neighbors. We turn onto a narrow path, lined with wildflowers and tall grasses. Butterflies dance in the air. Each step brings us closer to the rhythm of nature. There's no rush, no noise, no pressure. Just the sound of your breath, your steps, and the beauty of the world around you. As we reach the edge of a field, we pause to admire the view. Mountains rise in the distance, soft blue silhouettes against the sky. The sun is now higher, casting long shadows across the land. A soft breeze brushes your skin. Let's continue walking, with light hearts and open eyes. We pass an old shrine nestled under a banyan tree. Incense curls into the air, carrying with it a quiet reverence. This land is not just beautiful, it's sacred. Generations have lived here, farmed here, and found peace in these same fields. Their stories still linger in the air. You notice the sound of cicadas growing louder. It's midday now, and the light has shifted, warmer, softer. A woman works in her garden, wearing a traditional conical hat. She tends her plants with patience and care. Life moves slowly here, but with purpose. The path bends gently through a bamboo grove. Sunlight filters through the tall stalks, casting dappled shadows on the ground. You pause again, not to catch your breath, but to absorb the stillness. Everywhere around you, nature whispers calm. We're nearing the end of our walk. But for now, there's no need to think of anything else. Let your thoughts drift. Feel your shoulders relax. You are here, in this beautiful moment. Thank you for joining this peaceful journey. I hope your heart feels a little lighter, your mind a little clearer. Wherever you are in the world, peace can begin with a simple walk. Until next time, take care and keep walking with peace.